Rise and energize with the breakfast that powers your day. A healthy breakfast gives us energy, it gives us brain power, the power to dance, save the big game, solve problems, create music. From the court to the classroom, rise and energize with us. Hi, I'm Eve.
Hi, I'm Hadia, Eve's mom. This morning we're making our family's favorite Rise and Shine egg muffin with our colorful vegetable twist. These are all the ingredients we are using today. Today we're using mushroom, broccoli,
Spinach full a boost of vitamins.
we also need some peppers, tomatoes, zucchini and green onion, some salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese for flavor, half cup of low-fat cheddar cheese for that cheesy goodness. And the star of our muffin will be the eggs. For this recipe, we will need 12 large eggs.
Let's get started.
First, let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To prevent our muffin from sticking, let's spray it with some vegetable oil. Make sure to spray all of them. Next, we will crack our eggs inside this bowl.
I'm ready.
Let me see if Eve can do it. You're a pro.
Now let's get cracking.
Nutrition highlight of the day is protein. Eggs and low-fat cheddar cheese are great examples of protein sources. Protein will help your kids build muscle, stay strong and healthy. Almost there.
Time to sprinkle a pinch of salt.
We need more than a pinch of salt. Okay, we can sprinkle a little bit.
No, that's a lot.
And we add some Parmesan cheese to make it more tastier. And now time to whisk the eggs.
Mixy.
Okay, mixy.
Time mixy. Looks so good.
Here we go.
And mix until it's done. Time to cut the vegetables.
Try to cut your vegetable really thin so it will cook perfect with the eggs. Okay, for this recipe, feel free to use any vegetable you have in your fridge. You can also use asparagus, kale, sweet potato, any vegetables you have.
I think I'll go to the spinach.
Okay, let's do the spinach. Spinach will boost some vitamin into the egg muffin.
Then stop cutting the spinach. Why did you take my spinach? Yes, you did. That looks exactly like my spinach. Voila, the vegetables are done. Now it's time to make our own muffin.
First, we'd like to sprinkle some cheese in the bottom of our muffin tin.
If you want, you can add a little bit or a lot in your egg muffin. Time to ask your family what ingredients you want inside. We will put some broccoli.
Let's be creative, Eve.
Yes.
You can add pepper.
Broccoli and zucchini.
Add as many vegetables as you like. You don't have to put all of them in the same muffin.
Take some for me.
Okay.
Time to put the egg yolks. Be careful, it's kind of heavy.
Pour the egg mixture into each of the 12 muffin cups until they are each about 3/4 full.
Time to put it in the oven. Be careful. Don't let your kids do it. And bake for 15 minutes.
Carefully remove the muffin tin from the oven using oven mitts. These muffins are going to be hot.
And we scoop it. Up.
This recipe is a lifesaver for your busy morning. These are great for grab-and-go breakfast, but also great idea for your kids' lunchbox.
I'm excited to try the egg muffin. I think it will be delicious.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's take a bite. Yummy. So good.
Oh,
It's hot? It's still hot? Is it good?
it's delicious. Rise and shine egg muffin. Healthy stuff for a busy day.